Okay guys, thanks for watching until there. As this video is already long, I won't be doing the usual recipe breakdown, but I might do another separate video in the form of a Q&A. That only depends on you guys. This micro channel has very few subscribers, so most likely not many views, unfortunately. So if I get enough questions, I might answer all of them in a separate video. Just a quick note about the matcha, as this is matcha tart. This is the ingredients that will be emphasized, that needs to be shined. So make sure you pick a good one. As I live in Japan, we have lots of choices, right? I mean, if you live abroad, that might be a bit more complicated. So this brand that was sent to me by my friend ships internationally. I've put a link on the description section below. Full disclosure, I am not paid a single yen by this company, unfortunately. They don't even know I'm doing this YouTube video right now. But if you want to send me money though, I will gladly take it. I can just send you my bank account number. I just think that this product is a great product. So it's good for making pastries, but it's also good to enjoy as a tea itself. The strength is just right on, not too overpowering, and the flavor and the color are deep enough to achieve both purposes. That's it for today guys, thanks for watching. Please do share this video if you liked it. That would mean a lot to me. It took me 5 days to produce this video, and it will only take you a few seconds, 1 second, to hit the like and subscribe button. Last but not least, life is short, so if you're having a cake, make sure it's a good one. Ah merde. So if you're having a good... then in a separate video.